Today I want to talk about environment. It is important to have a nice environment. I'm studying right now for the daycare, for the center that I am managing, and now let me stop and make the video so we can talk about it. It's so important to have things that work. Sometimes you have things in your house and you're like, oh, no, that's fine, nobody will see it. Oh, that's fine, later. And then a year after that, you still didn't fix it. That's why I want to remind you, it's important to have nice environment. The same way that you want your child to go to a center that smells good, look good, and is good, you need also your house to be like that. Sometimes you see something and you're like, oh, later. And then nobody comes to fix it. And sometimes you even forget about it. Or sometimes it doesn't bother you as much. This is a reminder. You need to have also nice indoor and nice outdoor. If you see something that needs to be repaired, repair it. Put it down and say that by, for example, saying me, I have a screen door that I need to fix. Every summer, I'm fixing it. And then I'm like, that's fine. Oh, that's fine. But now that I'm studying, I'm like, no, I need to do it. Because if I want my child to be in a daycare, to be in a school where things are beautifully set, I need to have that same thing for my own house. This is a reminder. Please have a nice indoor, as much as you want your child, when your child goes somewhere, to have a nice environment. One more thing that I want to emphasize, it's sometimes we will not be picky, or we like, oh, that's fine, it works. Oh, that's fine, because my screen door, I can still use the door. That's fine. It's not like that broken, but I know it needs a repair. So sometimes you can be laid back, like, oh, that's fine. That's fine. We don't need to do much about it. It still do the job. But even though it's important to go and fix it. It works, but it needs repair. You know what? Repair it. If you don't know how to do it and you don't want to do it, get someone to do it, but don't let it be, because then you can create more hazardous item, and you don't want that to happen. Remember, you want to have a nice environment. If you want your child to go to a nice environment outside of your house, you need your house to be as nice or even nicer than what you want your child to go to. I was talking to a friend, and she was telling me that she said that I don't go to a hotel if it's not nicer than my home. And I have a nice home. If the hotel is not that nice, I'm going back to my home, even though I have to drive back 3 hours. I said, I'm not going to sleep in like that. No, oh no, I need my comfort. And if it's not nicer than my house, if it's not nicer than my bed, I'm not doing it. You also have to have that, you need to have that in mind. If it's not nicer, or if your house is not nicer than what you send your child to, you need to fix it. We need to fix it. Talk to you soon.